Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group guys. So the interested candidates may join in that group, and the link I kept in the description box of this video. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the lecturer vacancies notification from the two colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. So coming to the first one is the University of Engineering and Management and Institute of Engineering and Management. So the notice for job posting in Kolkata and Jaipur. Here the professor, associate and assistant professor and the placement officers JRF and SRF vacancies are there from the department CSC, ECE, EEE, IT, ME, Civil, EEE, Physics, Maths, English, Biotech and BHMCT and BHM, that is Bachelor in Hotel and Hospitality Management, LLB and MBA, Finance, HR, Business Analytics and Marketing, Supply Chain and Logistics Management, Retail Management, Economics, Digital Marketing Management and Event Management and Soft Skills. Okay, so also require the technical assistants and the software programmers, project manager, system administrator, workshop technicians, sports instructor, marketing executives, front office executives, executive assistant, librarian and the counselors. The faculty for quantitative aptitude, verbal aptitude, UPSC general studies for preliminary and the mains exam also required, and the prerequisites as per the UGC or the AICTE norms, and opportunity for doing the PhD publication and the patent filing and the filing, the training, upgradation, attending seminars, workshop, etc., conference and journals also there. And the salary is the 7th pay commission. As per the 7th pay commission, the salary is going to be given. And please apply with resume in duplicate and a copy of pay slip as soon as possible, superscribing the envelope with the name of the post applied for and a location with passport size photograph to Institute of Engineering and Management, Gurukul, Whitewell, Salt Lake Electronics Complex Sector B, Kolkata 700091. Also email a copy of resume at jobs@iemcal.com. Okay, so the candidates who are having the post graduation or the undergraduation, fine. So why? Because apart from the teaching here, the few more non-teaching vacancies are also there. So if you're having the UG, PG, not UGC NET and the UGC NET and the PhD, so for all the people here, the opportunities are there. So you may apply to this one. And coming to the next college, that is Aditya Polytechnic colleges. Okay, the walk-in interviews are there for the lecturer positions in CSC, Civil, Maths and English. So here there is a walk-in interview on the 9th Jan 2021. The salary, qualifications and experience as per the AICTE norms. So higher salary, even more than the AICTE scales, will be considered for deserving candidates. So the free transport and next subsidized lunch and medical insurance and the staff quarters are also available. So facility of concession in fee for children in Aditya group of schools and colleges also provided. So the venue is Aditya Engineering College, ABD Road, Surampalam, morning 9:30 on 9th Jan 2021. So the candidates who are having the necessary qualifications, so those candidates can go guys. Okay, you can attend. So the UG in these departments or PG in these departments, you people may attend to this one. So these are the two notifications. Please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC-NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.